used it to grow from 0 to 30,000 followers in less than 100 days. Most people think Instagram is all about luck, but it really is not. Sometimes it comes down to knowing the rules about the game. And today, I'm gonna show you those exact rules. Hey everyone, I'm Jason, and ever since I was a little boy, I've been obsessed with figuring out social media and just posting content. Back then, I was gaming, making videos, and just trying to figure out what made other pieces of content blow up versus why others weren't doing as well. This was before I was helping hundreds of creators grow, and before I was using content as a business. But then I realized Instagram is not random. It actually follows a specific set of rules. And honestly, once you know these rules, it's so much easier to grow. The algorithm basically looks at your piece of content and says, is this good enough to show everyone? If the answer is yes, well then boom, you have more reach. And if not, your video is most likely getting buried. Now that I've worked with so many brands and so many different businesses, a lot of people are confused by this concept. Some videos are hitting thousands of people and then others are barely reaching 100. It doesn't make sense. It felt extremely random, but at the end of the day, it wasn't. Okay, so we're gonna talk about the LCSS formula. This stands for likes, comments, shares, and saves. But I would actually say that not all of them are equal. Most people think likes are the most important, but honestly, on this scale, they're at the bottom. Best way to think about it is like a pyramid. The bottom is likes, the middle is comments, and the top is actually shares and saves. Then it leads you to ask, why are saves better? Basically, what you're telling Instagram is, I'm saving this for later and I'm going to watch this forever. And what a share says is, I need to show my friend this is a must see. Take these two signals together and it's literally telling Instagram to boost your post. Okay, but how do you actually make content that's worth saving and sharing? To start with this simple test, ask yourself, would I share this with my best friend? Well, if the answer is no, I wouldn't post it. The second thing I would do is also make it useful. So this comes down to tips and tricks, or something they can use in the future, or other pieces of content like inspiration and ideas. I think the main thing I'm trying to get at is the key is value. Even a simple tip can be powerful as long as you're helping one single person. Just basically always ask yourself, why would I share this? Here's also a big one that people overlook, and its quality matters a lot. Early on, I had no idea how to use a camera and the settings, and my videos were just blurry. The videos looked bad and the audio was terrible. The second I switched to this camera that I'm talking to right now, and I invested in this light right here, people started to take me a lot more serious and professionally, simply because the quality alone speaks on the value I provide. If I'm willing to invest in myself and my equipment, the audience will then take me more seriously and actually believe in what I'm saying. So here's your quality checklist. Clear video, good lighting, crispy audio, and a stable camera. What I'm saying is try to upload at the highest quality possible, because those tiny little things make all the difference. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you guys a quick hack on how to improve your CTA. If you guys don't know what CTA is, it's call to action. Okay, anyway, so here's the hack. You just need to ask for it. People just need to be reminded. They don't mind doing these things. When I was growing my YouTube channels, asking questions is exactly how I got so many more comments. Okay, so now that we've talked about the quality of the post and also asking your audience to do specific things, now you need to think about the timing of everything. So basically how Instagram works is it takes your post and it gives it to a really small group. And based on how this small group reacts, it will boost it to a bigger audience. So basically, if you're taking this video and you're posting it when no one's online, Instagram's going to assume the video is a flop. Super easy fix, grab your phone, go into your profile, check your insights, and then check exactly when most of your followers are online. Here's another bonus trick that I do. After I post, I stay on for about 30 more minutes and reply to comments or react to them. Just let them know that I'm there. It tells Instagram that this creator is engaged. Here's something that kind of contradicts what I said earlier. I always say consistency beats perfection. Not only do your followers understand your rhythm, but so does the algorithm. And that's actually when I see Instagram starting to push content more. I've noticed people who post more consistently, they grow faster than people who try to post perfect content. I'm not saying you post every day, but just find a rhythm that works for you so that your followers do not think you're dead. What I'm trying to say is stay consistent, you will be rewarded. Okay, let's put this all together because I know it's a lot of information in this video. So don't forget the LCSS formula: quality first, asking for engagement, posting at the right time, and staying consistent. I've used all these steps to grow my Instagram and TikTok page and actually get this thing in the background that you guys see here. And the best part about it is none of this is hard. You just need to know the rules. And now that you've watched this video, now you do. These tricks have changed my life, and it's now time for them to change yours. It's not about luck, it's about learning the rules and learning how to play within them. If this video helps you in any way with one single tip, like this video, subscribe, it means a whole lot. I'm trying to reach so many more content creators this year and blow them up. Comment day one down below if you're watching up to right now. That way I know you're an OG. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.